Hello guys, today I'm gonna turn this old laptop into an arcade, and you will need flash drive right here. And
This computer is old, but I got Windows 7 running on it.
even though it came with Windows Vista, yeah, I did. So there's a lot of crap on here, and there's a line of dead pixels right here. Look at that. That's a lot of. That's a dead pixel line over here. So, yeah. And I got the right software for this. That's awesome. And I'm gonna turn this into a Sega Genesis machine. And the reason why I have the flashlight on is because I'm in my closet. And the weirdest reason why I'm in my closet is because, well, I don't have enough room. I have a lot of computers, and I should know how much I have, and yeah, whatever. So, yeah. Let's get started, and gonna go through my flash drive. Hey guys, so I'm back again, and seems like, um, uh, the light, the backlight thing just started to go ahead and just make some sparks. And then after that, the backlight won't work on it anymore. So I thought maybe reconnecting it with another thing will work. But before I realized, well, now I realize that another connector, well, is thinner. So now when I yanked it out, um uh, now it's completely broken. Look at that. It's completely yanked out his wires. But that will not stop us for today. And don't don't even just take out all the hinges. So most importantly, this thing won't even work. That's surprising. Well, okay, for some reason I'm getting this message about how my Windows computer is not genuine. Even though it's a laptop, how is it supposed to be non-genuine? How is it non-genuine? I have it as genuine and it's saying not genuine. And also, if you were thinking, yes, this date and time looks messy up. Look at that. It says 2001, which is not supposed to say 2001. Hold on. I'm gonna yeah, look at that. I'm gonna fix it. So see you after my pause. Okay, so now the date has been changed, but I can't get over this not genuine thing. Even though it's a freaking laptop. Just said it again because I just wanted you guys to make sure that this is a laptop, a fully legit laptop, but it's from Traded, so but it says it's not genuine for some reason. Though a copy of Windows that says it says freaking Compaq, and it's still saying that, well, it's not genuine. See? It says, hold on. You must activate today. So, I have to contact Hewlett Packard, but I do not want to contact Hewlett Packard. I want to see why this happening. But, well, we still don't need to we can still get over this problem. I think it's gonna be fine for now because Windows sucks. Actually, it doesn't. Windows is just easy. So you'll need the Joy 2 key. Well, there's other joystick to keyboard applications. You'll need an emulator and some ROM files. And any system that you want. Yeah, like go for like NES, but I have the Sega Genesis for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Sega Genesis. And the ROM player I'm gonna use, or emulator, is Fusion. Yes, Fusion. These are good. And I have a lot of ROM files. And I don't have one plugged in. Hold on, let me try. Why is it not working? So apparently my Xbox wireless controller won't work with this machine. So looks like we're gonna go on with using the keyboard now. I mean, using the keyboard is not that bad. I used to be a keyboard gamer, like using the emulators. But the window isn't here for some reason, and the arrow effects are gone. So, but we could still play fine. So I'm gonna play something else in here. What should I play? I should play Sonic 2, the Rev 000. What the frick? Okay, for some reason, it just closed it out. I did not get a BSOD. It's just that this computer's kind of crap. But we can still see our instance. It keeps closing. Okay, I have it right here. Okay. Keep going. I'm such a master at this game that I just got like 50,000 time bonus. I'm so fast at this game. And that's about it for this arcade thing tutorial for your old laptop. Yeah, so I couldn't get my Xbox wireless controller to work properly. I hear the hardware fail sound always when I plug it in. And for some reason, my Windows 7 laptop has no genuine at all. This is for some reason. And I forgot there's some documents there. Yeah, so that's kind of it now. Yeah, I couldn't do it much in this video, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'm still using the same Compaq laptop. So thank you guys for watching, and maybe we could have another video later. But that's it for now. Yeah. Bye bye.